it seems as if the government, the military leadership are going to keep launching cases, keep trying to arrest you.
Look, let me just tell you something. This is a fight to the end for me. If we do not have freedom, freedom comes from rule of law. When they protect your fundamental rights. At the moment, there are no fundamental rights.
The relationship between you and the military. I was here in the lead up to the 2018 elections. Many others reported that you had, yes, a lot of genuine support, but you also had the tacit support of the military, and that's what helped bring you into power. And it's a case of live by the sword, die by the sword. They helped bring you in, they helped push you out.
I'm not today asking for support from the military. Clearly I'm not. Even then I never asked for support from the military. I am the cricket captain in 150 years of cricket history who brought in neutral umpires.
What were the reports of poll rigging substantiated by lots of international organizations? And the reason I'm asking, I don't want to dredge this stuff up, but the reason I'm asking is because I want to see if there's been an ideological shift within you. If you feel that you've learned from past mistakes.
As someone who was a sportsman known for his fairness who brought in neutral umpires, I did not get any help in the 2018 elections. We won fair and square. And it is subsequently reflected that the party today, the entire political spectrum is petrified. Despite military help, they don't want elections because they know we'll sweep them. So, what the lesson I have learned, this is the real point. The lesson I've learned that you cannot have rule of law in Pakistan if there are sacred cows like the politicians who do corruption and want immunity like the NRO, or you have the military which is above law. You know, like right now, I mean, they picked me up from a high court, the military picked me up and abducted me.